Imagine connecting your laptop, PC, gaming console, or even your phone to a huge TV screen, completely wirelessly. No messy HDMI cables, no Wi-Fi dependency, and almost zero lag. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, today we're checking out a gadget that promises exactly that. Hello everyone, today we're going to review the llano Wireless Digital Mirroring Box, a compact wireless HDMI solution that claims to support 4K Ultra HD output, stable 5G transmission, seamless low-latency streaming, and easy plug-and-play connectivity without needing Wi-Fi at all. Whether you want to watch movies, mirror presentations, stream content, or even play FPS games on a large display, this device is supposed to handle everything smoothly. In this video, we'll unbox it, check out all the accessories, test the real-world video quality and latency, and see whether this device is actually worth buying or just another gimmick. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the llano Wireless Digital Mirroring Box. We previously reviewed another product from them on our channel, and this is their new product. According to the box, it supports 4K Ultra HD, works without Wi-Fi, offers a stable connection with no dropouts, supports 5G transmission, has easy operation, and delivers HD image quality. It comes in two colors, gray and orange, and we received the gray one. So first, let's unbox it. After unboxing, as usual, the first thing we found was a user manual. Then we noticed several packaged accessories inside the box. First, we got an HDMI cable. As you can see, they included a standard HDMI cable. Moving on, we also found a USB-A to Type-C cable, and the cable length is quite decent. Next, on this side, we found another Type-C male-to-female cable. And last but not least, here is the main product itself, the HDMI transmitter. As you can see, it has a matte ash-colored box-style design with 4K branding on it. It has both TX and RX labels. This one is the receiver, and this one is the transmitter, along with ventilation holes on the side. There's a Type-C port here, another Type-C port on this side, and this is the HDMI port where you connect the cable. When you open the middle section, you can see there are Type-C male and female connectors on both the receiver and transmitter ends. On the top, there are just two simple buttons. You can press and hold them, and the units can easily be attached together or separated again whenever needed. Now we're going to test the product and see what kind of features and performance it actually offers. First, we connected the transmitter to the back of our iMac. Then we connected the receiver to our 75-inch Sony TV through HDMI. As you can see, it immediately shows connected, meaning the pairing was successful. Now let's play some videos and see how it performs. As you can see, the quality is very smooth and seamless with no noticeable lag at all. The transmission speed is impressively fast. It's actually a really cool device. Next, we also tried some gaming on it. During gaming, you can see there are basically no drawbacks. We tested an FPS game, and surprisingly, it transmitted the data smoothly without any lagging. So overall, this is a very useful product, especially for people who want to avoid the hassle of long HDMI cables. You can simply connect everything wirelessly and enjoy the experience. If you like this product, there will be a purchase link in the description below where you can check it out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you have any opinions or questions, let us know in the comments. See you again in the next video.